All right, you guys, welcome back to another Project by Jay. For today's project, we are switching out the window switches from the driver's side. So this is a '03 Honda CRV. Ignore that train in the background. So all the buttons work except for this one right here, which is actually the rear driver's side. It works going up, but not when it goes down. But if I press on the switch individually from back here, it actually works. It just doesn't work from here. So I was able to get a brand new one off of eBay. So let me show you guys that one. All right, so this is the new switch. It comes just like this. I was able to get it for roughly around $13 after tax. It came out to like 15 bucks or something. So not too bad, considering if you were to go to the junkyard, they charge just about the same. So we're going to have to take off this plate and then basically just swap this back in. So all right, here we go. All right, so I apologize for the little sun shadow that's basically cutting off right here. So what we're going to do is basically just get some flat head, and you're just going to reach in between and lift this plate up. So we're going to do that. Hopefully I don't damage things too much. All right, and just gently move it around. The whole thing should come out. And of course with this, some of them are going to have the connectors connected into it. So in order to give yourself room. Okay. Here's the one for the mirror. Taking this one off. And then the one for the mirror switch, or the window switches. Okay, there's that. So we're just going to grab a Phillips or a forehead and then take off the mounting holes from it and just switch it with the other one. But first, before we do that, let's plug in the new one and make sure that everything works. Okay, it's plugged in now. All right, let's see, driver's side. Okay, the automatic function does work. There we go. Passengers, pressing down. Passenger works. Up and down works. All right, rear passenger. That works. Down, up also works. And then driver passenger, let's see. Oh, it goes down and back up, it works. And just like that, we're pretty much almost there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off those mounting holes and then switch that one with this working one and reverse order, put everything back. And yeah, pretty quick install that should fix this issue. Don't forget to turn off your car. Forgot, left the keys in there. That's one screw right there. Two. And the third one right here. All right, just like that, the old one comes out. Ooh, it's kind of dirty. And then the new one should just pop in like this. Make sure it's sitting nice and snug. Put all the screws back. put the screw in, but don't tighten it until you get all the screws in, and that way you could tighten it down. Alright, now we got all 3 screws in. We can go ahead and tighten it down. Remember, this is just plastic, so you don't have to tighten it down. Once you feel it bite down between the 2 plastics, you can just leave it alone. And then you're just gonna plug both of these plugs back in, starting with the window switches first. Because you don't have much room. Okay, I think it's in. Nope. Oh, I feel it clicked in. Didn't. Okay, clicked in that time. I don't know if you guys could hear it, but it did. And then the mirror. That one you could definitely hear that one. Alright, and then there's little tabs on the side here that it should just snap back in. Alright, just like that. We're done. Alright, and just like that, we are done. This is a very, very simple install. You just need a flathead and a Phillips tip. That's pretty much it. So, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You guys see that? The window just opened. The keys are right here. Keys are not even plugged in. I don't even think it did that with the original one. Let's see if the other one's open. Okay, the other windows don't open. I'm pressing all of them. But the driver's side window's open. You guys let me know if that's normal, because that didn't happen with the old switch. I wonder if let me close the door, see if it still works. Oh, close the door and open it and see if it still works. Whoa! That is definitely something new. All right, besides that driver's side window being a little weird, I don't know if that's normal, but that was a pretty simple install. That's how you guys do it. Just want to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more video and clips coming out about Honda CR-V. Mostly just maintenance stuff that are broken and stuff. So yeah, the next one is I gotta replace this weather stripping, so I'll show you guys how to do that. I actually went ahead and replaced this one, which probably won't show you guys, but I'll give you guys a detail on how to do that. And until the next video, you guys take care.